Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today let us see how to create a leave calendar for a list of people in a single sheet wherein the entire month's data can be viewed. Here I have some month and the date. Usually we'll give the first date of the month, and here I have some roll numbers, student name and some blanks. Okay, here I have given weekday, weekend and day, which will be helpful in denoting what day it is based on the conditional formatting coloring in the subsequent cells. Okay, so here I'm going to give the date, which is in from C column till AG column, which is 31 cells. Okay, so to derive or to get the first date of this month, I'm going to select the cell equal to and the date, the first day of the month, which is 1st Jan 2020. Here I have rotated the text. For that, go to home, go to alignment, select on rotate text up. This will be very much helpful in viewing the entire set of details in a single sheet. Okay, so this is 1st Jan. Here the format which I have used is date, month and what day it is, whether it's a Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, like that. To fill the date of the month to the entire other cells, the formula I'm going to use is equal to the previous cell plus 1. So it will give 1st Jan and 2nd Jan, and drag the formula to the other cells also. It is coming up to 31st. For Jan month, this data is perfectly fine. What if I'm going to derive the date for Feb month? We will not be able to get only Feb month data because Feb has only 29 days, and here I have 2 days extra, like March 2 days. So how do we reduce or how do we avoid bringing the next month into this sheet? I'm going to insert an if statement. If text of C8 plus 1 comma my format is month MMM. So if C8 plus 1, which is 2nd Feb month, close parenthesis, is equal to text of this month which I am putting up here, which is D1. Freeze that cell because that cell is going to be dragged to the other cells also, comma within quotes MMM. If the C8 plus 1 month equal to D1 of that date's month, if both are equal, then my condition is going to be C8 plus 1. If not, I am going to return a value which is going to be blank. Okay, if I give this formula and if I drag that formula to the other cells also, you can see only Feb month data has come up, and the next cell is a blank, and the next cell is returning an error value because the previous cell is a blank. Okay, now I don't want this error value to come up in my sheet. How do I get rid of this? For that, insert an if error statement before my if statement, comma, and if the value is an error, this value, if the statement which I have previously mentioned returns an error value, then I need a blank to be inserted in that place. So now drag the formula to the other cells. Now this error has also gone. Okay, so now if I give May month, then May month's date will come up here. Now let us fill these cells, adjacent cells, with some conditional formatting. You will find a link in the description which helps you in creating a conditional formatting for the rows and columns based on a cell value. Please go through that link and get the conditional formatting as per your favorite colors. So now after the conditional formatting has been applied, this is how my sheet will look like. If I give Feb month, then the colors will automatically change. Now I have to update the leave details in this sheet. For that, how do I do? Select all the cells and now go to conditional formatting, click on new rule, click on format only cells that contain, and here under the cell value give specific text and containing L And what is my format? I'm just going to color it with some red color and give OK. Okay, if I type L in any cell, it will change the color, which denotes they are on leave. And if you wish this L should not be seen, then select all the cells and right click, go to format cells and go to custom, clear this general and give 3 semicolons and give OK. Wherever you type L, the text will be hidden. Okay, here I want the total of the leave. For that, my formula is going to be is equal to COUNTIF, my range, select the cells, that entire row, comma, and my criteria is L, so within quotes specify L and close back brackets and drag the formula to the other cells also. Okay, so now I will be able to get the leave total also. So create multiple sheets for every month and you can track the leave details of every person. Hope this was very much helpful and useful to you. Thank you so much.